Hello friends, have you ever wondered about those numbers sequences with a predictable pattern? क्या आपको कभी ऐसे नंबर्स देखकर आश्चर्य हुआ है जिनका एक ख़ास पैटर्न होता है? वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। आपका स्वागत है एपी की दुनिया में। इन दिस वीडियो we break down the basic concepts of arithmetic progression in a super easy and funny way. इस वीडियो में हम बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस की एक आसान और मजाकिया वे में। इन दिस वीडियो यू विल लर्न व्हाट इज सीक्वेंस, व्हाट इज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन with simple real life examples for term A and the common difference D. Key terminology: how to identify if a given sequence is in an AP or not, the general form of an AP, and an introduction to the nth term, formula. Whether you are a student preparing for an exam or just curious about the patterns in numbers, this video is the perfect starting point for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Please subscribe for more maths and science tutorials. Comment below with any question you have. I'm Samir and you're watching My Scholars. We begin from sequence. So, sequence, an arithmetic or an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. Sequence definite order में numbers का arrangement है and terms are formed according to the same rule, और इसमें एक same rule से terms बनते हैं. So first of all, we shall learn about sequence. What is sequence? Very simple thing. You should read the question and then decide this question is from which chapter and what are the formulas of that chapter you have to apply in the same question, and then write the formula and try to solve the question. Let us we come on our topic, sequence. So what is the sequence? I will tell you the sequence. An arrangement. Sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. So the numbers are in a definite order. It is an arrangement, sequence. First you need to learn about the sequence. An arrangement, which is an arrangement which is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. This word definite, निश्चित order में. Definite order. And terms are formed according to the same rule. And the second thing is that the terms should be formed according to the same rule. And the terms are formed according to the same rule. According to the same rule. According to the same rule. Same rule means if we are adding in a sequence a number, a specific number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we shall add in all the terms of that number. The same number will be added in all the terms of the series. For example, I'm taking an example of a sequence. 1, 2, 1, thereafter 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are the numbers which are in a series. Second example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are also the number which are according to the same rule. There is different rule than this in the first. Or 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on. Or 2, 6, 18, 54 and so on. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4. There are several examples of sequences, 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 8 and so on. These are different sequences, out of which first one is in AP, which is according to the same rule of AP. If these are known as terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. If we subtract second term from first, we get 2. If we subtract third term, second term from third term, 5 minus 3, we shall get 2. If we subtract third term from fourth, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. In this, first term is 1, second term is 2 square, third term is 3 square, fourth term is 4 square, fifth term is 5 square. So it is in GP and it is in HP and so on. So there are different sequences. Now I'm coming on arithmetic progressions. What is arithmetic progression? AP, arithmetic progressions, is also a sequence. So AP or arithmetic progression is a special case of a sequence. Arithmetic progression progression. Here we shall discuss about arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a special case. This is a special case is a special case of a sequence where the difference between a term and its preceding term is always constant. And that constant is known as common difference, D. It's difference between two terms, a special case of a sequence where the difference between a term and between a term and its preceding term पहले वाली term, preceding means पहले वाली term, preceding term is always constant. And that constant is called D. That constant is called D, or common difference. So this way we can say that D is equal to a n plus 1 minus a n plus 1 term minus nth term, where a n is nth term and a n plus 1 is n plus 1th term. This is n plus 1th term, this is nth term. It is abbreviated as AP. AP. So this is AP is the abbreviated form of arithmetic progression. Taking an example, इसका हम example लेते हैं. One, like there are terms 1, 3, 5, 7. These are known as terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Terms. Terms. These are known as terms of AP. Terms of AP. They may be unlimited or may be limited, finite or infinite. And this is known as first term. First term. This is known as second term. This is third and this is fourth, and so on. And thereafter nth term, or which is known as general term, nth term or general term. Hence we may write general term of an AP. AP की जनरल टर्म को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Hence we may write general form of an AP. Hence we may write general form AP. So the general form of an AP can be written as first term is A, second term is A plus D. This is common difference. And third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D, and so on. And nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, or A plus n minus 1 into D. This will be nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D. For example, we are taking an example of a sequence. Say it is 7. First term is 7. Second term of that AP is 9. Third term of that AP is 11. And so on. Say it is an infinite AP, or the AP has infinite terms. Now, A is the first term, so D can be calculated. 9, second term, second minus first term, so that is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So its common difference is 2. D is equal to 2. D is second minus first term is equal to 2. If we subtract 11 from 9, or also D is equal to third term minus second term. So that is 11 minus 9 is also 2. It means the given terms are in AP. This way we may test whether the given terms of the sequence are in AP or not. Try to understand. This minus this should be the same when this is subtracted. This is subtracted from this. Hence the form are in AP. Divisions for an an or nth term can be given as A is the first term, or A1 is the first term. Let derivation of the formula. Derivation for an term or nth term in terms of A1 and D. A1 or AN and D. AN and D can be given as first term A1 is equal to A1 plus 1 minus 1 into D. So that is A1 is equal to A1. A1 is equal to A1, since 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 into D is equal to 0. A2 now. This is first A2. Now A2. A2 is equal to a1 plus 2 minus 1 into d, or a2 is equal to a1 plus d. If we take it as a, that will be a. So taking it as a instead of a1. So first term is a now. a2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. a3, a2 is this way, a2 is equal to a plus d. a3 now. a3 is equal to a plus first term plus 3 minus 1 into d. So a3 is equal to a plus 2d. First term, second term, third term. Fourth term, a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, or a4 is equal to a plus 3d. Fourth term. Now the fifth or nth term. Directly we are taking an or nth term. So this way an will be here n minus 1 an, and so on, then an. So on. an is equal to a plus, here in place of 4, for 4 term it was 4, for third term it was 3, and minus 1 into d, and 1 is always subtracted from all the terms. So a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our derivation for the nth term. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is common difference, n is the term number, and n is equal to term number. N is equal to term number. A special case. If there are 3 terms, we have to take 3 terms of an AB. How we will take 3 terms? First term we shall take as A. If 3 terms A, B and C are in AB. If 3 terms A, B and C are in AB, therefore B will be equal to A plus C upon 2. A plus C upon 2. Or we can say that 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. where B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C, where B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C, of A and C. And before ending the video, we shall also learn what are the sum of n terms of an AP. We shall not learn the derivation of the sum of n term of an AP, but I will notify you the formula only for the sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. Is represented by two formulas. First formula is Sn. Sn is sum of n terms, that is n upon 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 within bracket into d, and also Sn is equal to n upon 2 within bracket a plus last term l or nth term. Both are the same formulas. We shall see the questions in our next video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching My Scholars.